Hey my friends, what's going on? It's your boy Kater on a beautiful day, my friends. So today guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to create your own sales training, online, your own training that actually can make you money. Okay, now I've utilized this process to create income on a daily. I just released a couple of new courses in a different niches, and I'll show you how they're doing. Okay, so you can see I'm getting payments every single day. So it's working, so if you follow this process, this is the process that I use. Other people use different processes, but if you're thinking about creating your own course, creating your own online sales course, or whatever other courses that you want to create, this is the process you can go through. All right,
and if you enjoyed this video but haven't subscribed,
press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
You go hard, right? You go hard or you go home. Guys, I can tell you can change your life. So, okay, the first thing you got to think about when I'm creating my courses, when you're creating your course, is motivation. Okay, motivation is very important, because that's what's gonna set the person in the mindset to keep going, to get going. So whenever I start my training, before I get people into all the data, everything they're gonna be doing, or the expectations, I always go into motivation. How do I motivate them to take action? Because that's gonna be the main thing. My training won't be successful if they are not motivated to go out there and do the work. So I always concentrate on motivation. My first module, usually I say something to motivate them. I kind of future pace them. Future pasting is creating that imagery of the results they're looking for. So I kind of tell them, this is the expectation, this is where this training is gonna get you. So give them some reason to be motivated to actually watch the rest of the training, because that's what's gonna transform their life. Okay, so that's the first thing I'm looking for, is to get them motivated, because once their mindset is in the right place, they can go out there and watch the training and then go out there, implement that stuff to actually see results. So motivation is always going to be number one. Okay, so once you get them motivated, they get going. The second step that I go into now is information. So once they become motivated, then I jump into information. Now this is where I'm training them and I'm showing them, hey, this is the process, this is how to do it. So a lot of people can just get started. So a lot of the term or stuff that I'm going to be using might be new to them, but they learning the information. This is where you teach them the skill set and right after the mindset, so that they can do it every single day. Now once you give them the information, you gotta go to step 3 now, which is where you do education. Now there's a difference between information and education. Education is where you encourage them to do the stuff daily, because an education is not made in one day. It's like you say, I'm going to college and I'm gonna spend one day or 1 week in class and then I'm gonna be graduated. We all know it doesn't work that way. For you to get an education, it's gonna take you 4 years. So you gotta stress in your program, whatever that you're doing, you gotta stress that, hey, you gotta practice this stuff every single day. If you wanna become really good at Facebook ads, you gotta do it every single day. If you wanna be really good at making videos or affiliate marketing, you gotta run your business every single day. That's gonna enable you now to have that education, because education, information is easy. You can find information all over the internet, but how many people are truly educated in what they're doing? How many people stay learning and practicing their game so that they can have the skill set to their craft? Okay, once they understand the education, now I take them to step 4. Okay, step 4 now in my trainings, my 4-step process to create my training. First one is motivation, second one is information, third one is education, the fourth one is transformation. Now there's a lot of information on the internet, but there's a lack of transformation. Transformation happens when you can get them in a crowd, usually what I create is a community, like a Facebook group where people can come and ask questions, where other people can come and share their results, so that they can have the belief in themselves that I'm not alone, I'm not doing this thing by myself, right? So, or a YouTube place somewhere, a Skype group, somewhere they can see other people doing it, or somewhere I can consistently, like YouTube, I can consistently show results and help other people get results and show you their results. So that's gonna allow transformation. As they go through the process, they see those transformation. Guess what? They're gonna go and create their own results now, and so happen they're gonna have their own transformation. And this is the 4th step, guys, that I go through when it comes to creating my own product. So I hope this stuff is valuable for you. I'm gonna go for a morning run. You know, that was your boy Kader. Just wanted to share with you my sales process, and I create at least 4 courses a year. I'm trying to take it to a lot more, but it helps. You know, it makes a lot of money, and it also helps a lot of people get the knowledge required. All right, noise is getting crazy, but I will see you guys on the next one. Pound up for watching this video. Just want to say I believe in you. What's going on, man? And you guys can go out there, make your dreams become a reality, create your own courses, have your own program, and crush it to a whole next level. Okay? See you guys later.